I received this whiskey smoker as a gift, and I can't wait to go ahead and open it up. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so this might be one of the coolest gifts I have ever unboxed. If you love an old fashioned or you know someone who does, this right here, next level. When I tell you that this whiskey smoker kit is giving a luxury experience at home, just wait. This kit comes with everything you need, including glasses and ice molds. You get a smoker top with a built-in filter. It comes with a torch. All you have to do is add butane and you're ready to go. But this part, 6 different wood chip flavors. You get pecan, hickory, apple. Like, you can literally customize the vibe of your drink. Spoon, tongs, everything is included. No extra trips, no guessing. So here is our beautiful torch. And here is a look at our smoker top with our built-in filter. This is giving date night, housewarming gift, birthday gift for any man in your life, or Father's Day, or just I deserve everything nice energy.